Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 1943 variant, question number one, but not A part is only B part I'm going to do. And topic is a percentage. First question we have here, the ideas fares for train journey shown on the table. You can see very clear that from London to Marseille we given adult and child, standard fare and premier fare. We given both two categories. Okay. So what is the situation? What is the situation? So what situation we have given for standard fare? Write the ratio for adult fare and child fare. So so let's find it. Ratio for adult fare. Adult fare we have adult and child fare. But he asking for what? Standard one. So I will take this one. So 84 ratio 60. And if I divide them simply or 80, or I can, yes, 7 ratio 5 is our answer. In case if I divide by 12, both value divide by 12, I will get here 7, I get here 5. So first part is clear. So this is the I part. Okay. Now I talk about this part is clear, and let's talk about the for adult. Find the percentage increase in the cost of standard fare to the premier fare. So we have to check that what is the difference between two fares, two kinds of fares for adult only. So it means for adult they are standard and premier. So naturally there's an increase you can see from here. So first of all, I'll find increase. How much increase the fare you can find very easily. 140 minus 84. So it is a very clear. So 140 minus 84. The difference is $56. So let me write down. So $56 is a difference. Okay. But he's not asking that difference. He asked percentage difference or percentage increase. And I said a lot of time two ways are there. In cross multiply technique, I use always, and we increase from the original because increase from original. So this is called original price. It's because from 84 to increasing. So I will take this is original. This is called original. And original, I said before, always taken as 100%. So I will equate any percentage and here dollar sign. Two titles are there. 100% is equals to 84. And difference, it will coming in the place here. And how much increase? Increase 56. And here X. So cross multiply. That's it. So X times 284 equal to 56 times 200. And this number is dividing down. And I do direct and I get my answer. So 5600 divided by 84. And my answer is coming 66.6666. And you know it is actually 6666. Continue. When these recurring numbers never stop, then we always write 3SF. Always 3SF. And what's criteria of writing? I need, I don't want. So which I don't want bigger than 4, so add. So when I add in this number, so answer becomes 66.7. So my answer is coming now here. This is my answer for increase in percentage. Done. I finished. I finished my two parts. So let's start, students. We have a one I part, second part finished. A part is over, and I'm going to do B part. So it's still three part number third left behind. Let me write third part. So this part left behind. So let's discuss how we can do this part. Okay. So original part is clear. Let's talk about the B third part. Okay. What the question is here, 5 marks is a little bit tough question. There might be. For one journey from London to L to M, the ratio number of adults and number of children are given this. So who are traveling, adults and children mentioned here, 11:2 ratio, done, okay. And there are 220 adults, okay, in total in the journey. So adult ratio is 11 and adult numbers given 220. So we can equate them if I need 11 and 220. Anyway, all the children are 70% of the adult. Repeat, all the children, all the children are 70% of adult pay the standard fare. So we can say that all children are paying 70%. Let me write a heading here, okay? And 70%, 70% of adult, because some adult may be 70% of adult, all children and 70%. Thank you very much. So all the children and because he put the word and here is interesting here. All the children they pay standard fare, number one, and 70% of adult, not all adults. Some adult paying standard and some paying premier. Okay, so this is the whole thing, and remaining adult pay the premier. I think idea is very clear. Total fare we have to find for adult and children all together. So let's start. First, our task is to know that how many adult we know, how many children we don't know. So let's find. And what is technique? Write two titles. Title number one, people, people, and title number two, ratio, ratio. Okay, I know adult 20, I know adult ratio 11. So 220 adult and ratio in adult is 11. So I can put equal to each other because ratio and adult numbers given. Okay, I want to know children. So children ratio is 2. So ratio is 2 and C is question mark. So first of all, I can get the children from here. So you know 2 C times 2, 11 is equal to 2 times 2, 220. And this will go down. So 2 times 2, 220 by 11. 11 twos are 22 and 0, so 40 are children. So 40 children are there. I can save my time and I can save my space even. So 40 are the children. Okay. So first of all, this is part is clear. And let's talk about, so now adult we know and children we know. And let me write children complete words so it's better for you. Done. So now he says 70% of adult are paying standard pay. So first of all, 70% of adult, how much? I think we can find easily. So there are two techniques.
154.
Yeah, 70%, 70% of 220 we can find this way. So let's find this way. There's an easy way or cross multiply technique. Both are okay. So how many adult paying fair standard, okay? Or you can say 70% adult, 70% adult. So equal to what? 70 divided by 100 into 220. So 0 cancel, and 7 to the 14 and 154. Correct. Okay. Now look at carefully. Now after this, we know that these people paying according to plan standard fare. So all children paying standard fare. Okay. All standard fare. These standard fares. Okay. So child will pay 60 and adult will pay 84. But rest, how many rest are there? Rest. Rest means 220 minus 154. So we can find this way. So 220 minus 154 is coming 66. So 66 paying the premium. Okay. Let's find the amount now. Now rest is very easy. So how much money? How much money we have to pay? So how much money we have to pay to collect from the all together? So money. So 40 and plus 154. I'm sorry, 40 into this one. Sorry, 40 into 60. So 40 times to 60. One part done. Plus. Okay, what about say adult? Because they standard is 60. Sorry, no, not 60. 84. So 154 into 84. Done. Last part, this remaining people are paying premier, so of adult, okay. So 166 into 140. So I think so the idea is very, very clear. And the answer for this is, let me calculate. This answer is, wait a minute, let me check.
$24,576.
Oh, thank you very much. This one, we got a same answer. Let me write dollar or sign also. So we have done this 5 mark per part. Okay. Now is asking here, there are this many passengers that made the journey into 18. Okay. Wait a minute, please. So let's start for the part number C. What the plan is here. So there were this many passengers that made journey in 18. Okay. And he said this means this number. This was 10% decrease. It means I can say that this many number is after 12% decrease in as compared to 217. So it means, let's say it means 270, there were more people who travel, okay, more passengers, but in 18, there are 12% decrease and they become in number is this much. So I can say that this value is after 12% decrease, and out of 100, if you 12% decrease, it becomes 88%. So I can say that this value is equal to 88%. And whenever I need original, I think I discussed before, original value, original old value, previous value, whenever you want the old value, previous. So what is the criteria I taught you? That always in front of X put 100. So I think so idea is very, very clear. Two titles are there. One title is for is the passengers, I write pass, and second is a percentage. So because I need an old, I write here X, and in the front of X, I write 100 always, my habit, because it's easy to do it. Okay, and and because 12% decrease, so 88% are right in front of this value. So in short, 88 and this equal to each other. 88 I'm writing here, and 3.08 into 10 to power 5 here. And I'm going to cross multiply. So 88 into X, and this into 100. So let's find here. I have space issues. So 88 times 2x, 88 times 2x, and is equals to 3.08 into 10 to power 5 into 100. And now come this value going to divide down. So I'm just showing working. So x is equals to 3.08 into 10 to power 5 into 100 and divide by 88. And answer is, I'm writing here, and answer is coming, the final answer. The old values, what is the old people's with passengers travel? 3.5 into 10 to power 5. So this is my answer. This is my answer to find out how many people they visit in a 2017. So how many passengers they travel? This is my answer. Let me check it. This does not look like a minus sign. Now correct. So that's it. Question is completely over.